All right, welcome back. Baba God, na your hand we day. Well, on to this one. Nigerian lawmakers visit U.S. company manufacturing aircraft that will bomb Boko Haram. All right, the news in details. A delegation from the National Assembly has visited R29 Tucano, the company which is manufacturing fighter jets for the Nigerian Air Force. In 2018, President Muhammadu Buhari approved $469.4 million for the purchase of the aircraft to boost the fight against insecurity. In a tweet, the Air Force said a NAS team visited the company to assess the progress work on the aircraft. Earlier in the week, Godwin Emefiele, governor of the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN), said the aircraft will land in Nigeria in August. All right, and then as you can see, the pictures of the aircraft, and then onto this, majority of people have reacted onto this, and then it has been said that, well, it's only God that will help us in this country. How are we sure that this aircraft will not be given to the Boko Haram bandits to kill innocent Nigerians? All right, and then this had no cause a lot of reactions. In fact, and then according to Giorgio, he said, well, they should walk in silence if they really want to end this insurgency while publicizing your plans, so the terrorists would know and also buckle up very, very seriously. All right, and then it is said that by the end of the day, if they purchase the aircraft, it will be handed over to the Fulani S-men, Boko Haram, and then bandits to kill innocent Nigerians. This is useless. National Assembly, they should scrap it. Let everybody go home. I didn't see their functions. All right, and then according to Bamidele Afere, he said that, well, you are right, my brother, I support. Well, Vincent Ngbago has said that, well, another jamboree under recession, Nigeria cannot survive. All right, and then John Hike has said that, well, the aircraft the AVE was used to bomb Southeast is now the one to buy, the one to bomb the dead Boko Haram. All right, okay, well, as it is, somebody has said that, well, why bringing the news online? We now understand that all the lawmakers know those that are behind the problem of Nigeria. That is why you post it online, for them to be ready. All right, Atayahu announcing their plans to the bandits. This is another one. Well, according to Adejomo Yusuf, he said that, well, why bringing the news online? This one is indirectly telling them to be ready. Can't they do it secret? All right, and it has been said that USA should stop associating with Nigeria. They are senseless because those animations will be handed over to the enemies of the country to destroy it more. All right, okay, because there are people they buy with our money and give to Boko Haram without having their plans, they all will die. All right, and then a lot of things are actually being said onto this one. Okay, well, according to Shehu Abubakar, he says, nonsense, bring the whole and entire company's technology to Nigeria. All right, okay, and then who are these idiots fooling themselves? That is serious. Well, my people, a lot of things are actually being said. Majority, in fact, many comments keep coming in onto this one, but the fact remains that if care is not taken, a lot of people have actually said it rightly, that this set of people will still want to use, in fact, they will use this fighter jet to even harm more of innocent souls, because now they are saying they want to fight against terrorists. Who are the terrorists they want to fight against? And meanwhile, somebody is saying that, well, remember that they have tagged the innocent IPOP as terrorist group. This is another serious one. Well, I am very sure that the good Lord is watching and is bigger than them. Anything they try to do against the innocent ones will bounce back on them, and that is what is going to happen. Well, majority of people are of the opinion that every Nigerian citizens should be very prayerful. Yes, we need to be very prayerful because these people can't be predicted. Majority of people have said a lot of things concerning what is happening in the country. talking about insecurity. All right, now the federal government has said that their main purpose of getting this fighter jet is to fight terrorists, to fight people who have been terrorizing the country. And then somebody has now asked a question that this one, that you are getting a private jet to fight terrorists, and then meanwhile you have tagged the IPOB as a terrorist group. Is it IPOB you want to use it to fight? Simply because you have tagged the IPOB ESN as a terrorist group. Well, there's been a lot of mixed reactions onto this, and then somebody has said it that, well, we should be very prayerful because this set of people are not to be trusted. All right, and then meanwhile, the pastor of the House on the Rock, Pastor Paul Adefarasin, earlier said that everybody should try to get a plan B. According to him, he said, you people should have plan B because this set of people are crazy. Well, for a pastor to have altered that, this is to tell you that it's no longer a joke. Well, it has been said that this fighter jet will be coming in by August. All right, and then as it is, majority of people are praying that God should destabilize their plans if it is to harm innocent people. All right, and then as it is, we need prayers, and then there's nothing prayers cannot do. Meanwhile, someone has reacted on social media that this country, this present regime, is a scam, in the sense that if you truly want to do something, if you truly want to attack the enemy, then why are you disclosing your plans to them? This is to tell you that this set of people are scam, and then as it is, this is to tell you that they have ulterior motives concerning this, because you wouldn't want to say, okay, you want to attack an enemy, and then you are not telling the enemy the pattern, the way you want to attack such enemy. Are you trying to alert the enemy to run, or you are trying to alert the enemy to escape from another route, or you are trying to inform the enemy about the evil that is planned against them so that they will not be hurt? And the majority of people have said that simply because of this, the country, in fact the regime, is a scam. My brother, my sister, well, there is more to that. Well, meanwhile, a lot of people have actually reacted, and the majority of people are not happy with the situation on ground. And then as it is, our prayer has been that the good Lord will destabilize their plan against the innocent ones, against their innocent souls. And then that has been it on this one, my people. Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates. Thanks and God bless.